Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this video from. Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be learning how to deploy a smart contract on the Jolnir Auto Testnet. This will enable us to position ourselves for the Taiko airdrop if at all they'll consider smart contracts as a criteria. Okay, so we'll be taking us through a step-by-step guide and process. Okay, all the links will be in the video description. You just have to follow the links. Okay, the first thing we have to do is for us to add the needed networks to our MetaMask. Okay, one of the network you will need the Ethereum, the Sepilia network on the Ethereum. Okay, so you will need to add that to the MetaMask. Okay, let me open my MetaMask. Okay, now I want to check my MetaMask. My MetaMask is open right now. Okay, right here, the first one, which is the Sepilia L1, is automatically added. Okay, that way you don't need to add it, but if you want to, if you don't have it, if you think you don't have it, you can just click on connect and then they'll prompt you to add it to your MetaMask, or you can add it manually by copying all of these informations right here and adding it up. So the next network you will have to add is the Taiko Jolnir L2. So you can just click on this link here. Okay, that if you're on the in the website, you can just click on this link here and your MetaMask will prompt you to add. Or you can also do that manually as well. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to get some Ethereum on the Sepilia network. Okay, you can get that from I think maybe I'll also get the link to this video description where you can get some Sepilia network. It's not much, maybe 0.2, 0.1 or 0.5 or something like that. Okay, so you can get it all there. So the next thing is to bridge. Okay, we're going to bridge we're going to bridge from, that's here. You can click here. So we'll visit this website here. Okay, so we'll visit here. Okay, now we are right here. So you connect your wallet if your wallet is not connected. Mine is connected already. So we are going to bridge from the Sepilia that I told you guys about. Okay, we're going to bridge from the let me switch over this way. I'm bridging from Sepilia L1. Okay, now from the Sepilia to the Jolnir. I don't know if that's what they call it. So I already have some Ethereum in my Sepilia here. So I'll just, let's say, I'll just bridge like 1 Ethereum to the Sepilia. All right. So I'll just click on the bridge. So after you've successfully bridged, I think you have to give it some more time, okay, for the transactions to reflect. You can move to the next stage now. Okay. The next stage is to swap tokens, right? So we can just carry out a little swap that. Now we have to connect our wallet. I'm using MetaMask, not Wallet Connect. Okay, our wallet is connected now. So let's just swap a little. Okay, I select this. Also, okay, let me select this. Okay, I'll just swap a very little amount. Let's say 0.001. Okay, 0.001. Okay, I swap, just do a little swapping just to increase your transactions. Okay, because that I didn't mention that while we're starting up, but we just have to include it to increase our transactions here, right? Transactions submitted, close. Okay, let's just wait a few seconds. Then we swap back. Just swap and swap back. You can do this multiple times, okay, as you want. It depends on you. So you all know how to swap. So I'm not gonna waste much time right here. So let me just swap back and we move straight to the next one. So I'm swapping all of it back. So okay, transaction submitted. So we are done with this swapping task. So let's move to the next one. So the next thing is to deploy a contract. So you can see that right here. Deploy a contract. So we'll be deploying a contract now. I think we'll have to use Remix. Right here, you can create your code. Right. So we'll just use a very simple code right here. So we'll not use much. So all you just have to do once you are in this open Zeppelin, all you have to do is just if you check on this my token, you can just type the name of the token. Let's say for example, I want to tag my own token as SPs. Okay, SPs. And then my symbol, I can decide to use your symbol can just be just any my own is ESP. Okay, then your premit is um the total supply of the token, okay, that you want to mint out. Okay, let's say mine I want to put like 1 million. One there's you put one zeros, there's this 1,000, this 10,000, this 1 million. Okay, let's say I want to be like this how many zeros are here? One, two, this 100 million. Okay, let's say 1 billion is okay. 1 billion of it is okay. Then what do I want? You can decide to add all other things like you want your though it's not necessary, but if you want to, you can decide to add meetable, burnable if you want your token to be burnable, possible, permit, and so on. Um, though all these are not necessary right there, so we don't have to waste time. So you can decide to either copy this code to Remix or you open Remix directly from here. You can still open in Remix, or you can decide to copy the code and you go and paste it on the Remix. But here, let's just open it in Remix. The site is remix.ethereum.org. Okay, it's open. You can see the code here that we wrote in that first the other website, the open Zeppelion. You can see it here. It's the same thing. You can see my contract SPs is ERC20, contract address SPs, and so on. Look at the premium tokens. Everything is here is intact. So the next thing is to we have to hold on. I think some stuffs are still loading. Okay, while you're here, please confirm that you are in the Taiko Jolnir network in your MetaMask, because whatever you're deploying here will deploy in that network you're in. So I just confirm that I'm in the Taiko Jolnir L2. Okay, so that's what you should confirm. So the next thing here is to we're gonna compile our code, okay, to compile. But before you compile, look here, this compiler. The compiler should be, that is this first one here, the one they gave to you. Just leave it there. There's no need to change anything. Just leave it there. Okay. Then the next thing is to go ahead and compile. Just hold on. Okay, now you can see we have a green tick here. But if there is an error in your code, it will you will not see this green code. All your code written here, you will see where they ask you to do some necessary adjustment. But I'm not here to teach you how to code and all of that. So just go ahead and as we've this is verified already, have been compiled successfully. So the next thing we are going to go ahead and deploy. We'll deploy our SP's contract or whatever you want to name your contract. So you click on this next one here, deploy. Now, before you deploy, look at here, this environment, the environment we are deploying on. They gave us Remix VM Shanghai. We are not using that. So you have to change it to, we have to use our wallet. Okay, yeah, there is MetaMask here. MetaMask is here. So we just click on injected provider MetaMask. Switch it to injected provider MetaMask. So once you do that, you see that your wallet address will automatically appear here. Okay. Okay, you don't need to change any gas limit and whatever. So just go ahead and click on deploy. Okay, just hold on. Okay, now you will get a prompt from your MetaMask to authorize. Okay, you will need they will charge us about $4.69. Okay, you go ahead and click on it. Just hold on a little while. Okay, it's done. Okay, you can see here we've successfully deployed our contract on Remix. Look here. Okay, now you have to copy this contract address. This is what we will use to verify our contract. So you just have to click on it and copy. If you okay, now we've copied that. So the next thing we're going to do is to verify this contract. Okay, so let's go to the first site again. Okay, now the next thing they ask us to verify a contract. So click on it. So to verify a contract, we'll have to go to their this thing Explorer, right? Okay, I there is the link to their Explorer is right on the description also. So okay, now that code that we copied from Remix, we're gonna paste the code right here. Paste it here. Okay, okay. Now they found one. We click on it. Okay, you can see the contract on their Explorer, contract details. This is the contract code, token name, SPs, ESP, creator is your wallet address, you are the creator, balance, to show transaction, and so on. Okay, so you can see it here now. That is the contract is successful. So that is it, guys. Okay, I think we are done. We are done. So thank you guys, and I believe this video is helpful. Please kindly like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends to help them learn how to deploy a contract on Taiko. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.